This lesson is 9.4. The title says relate fractions, decimals, and money. For the directions for 1 and 2, it says write the total money amount. Then write the amount as a fraction or a mixed number and as a decimal in terms of dollars. So it's looking for 3 answers for 1 and 2. Make sure you put 3 answers. For numbers 3 through 7, it says write as a money amount and as a decimal in terms of dollars. So it's not just asking for you to write as a decimal, you also have to write it as a money amount. So underline those directions. Money amount and as a decimal. Yes. Number 8 through 12, it says write the money amount as a fraction in terms of dollars. So you're just going to write it as a fraction. So just circle as a fraction, because you can't write it as a fraction in terms of dollars. That's just what it means to write it as a fraction. Okay, numbers 13 through 15, it says write the total money amount. I'm going to underline that, total money amount. Then write the amount as a fraction and as a decimal in terms of dollars. So it's asking for 3 answers again. First, let's count it out. So let's do number 13. 2 quarters is how much? 50 cents. Plus 2 dimes is, how much is 2 dimes? 20 cents. So if you write it out like this, you're going to be able to figure it out. So 50 plus 20 is what? 70. Okay. So first it says write the total money amount. So I write dollar. Do I have any full dollars there? No, so I put 0, decimal, and then I write what? 70, good. Okay. Now I am going to look for a fraction. So 70 cents is how many hundredths?
70 hundredths.
Yeah, it's 70 over 100. Okay, now it says as a decimal. So we're going to write $0.70, and that takes care of 13. I do want you to write the amount just below it so you make sure that you get it right. It's kind of like lots of problems in one problem, and they're really easy, but if you write each step, you're going to be able to keep it organized. Let's look at number 16. Let's read it together and do cube. Ready, go. Kate has 1 dime. Stop. I'm going to write 10 cents. Above that, 4 nickels. How much is 4 nickels?
20 cents.
Yeah, because 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to write 20 above that. And then 8 pennies is what? 8. Okay. Write Kate's total amount as a fraction in terms of $1. Okay, so I have 10 plus 20 plus 8. And I already wrote it up there, so I'm already showing my work. What is 10 plus 20 plus 8?
38.
38. And it says to write her total amount as a fraction in terms of $1. So I'm going to write 38 over what?
100.
100. And that is my answer. I don't have to label it because it said to write it as a fraction, and I did that. So we're all done. You did great.